Okay, should be good now. Hello, and welcome to another video. Today, I'm doing a Scratch tutorial on how to make a good Scratch game for beginners. So immediately go on Scratch and click Create in the top left corner. This is for Scratch 3.0. So it might not work for future updates, but we'll just see. I'm also holding my mic, so I'm going to try to reposition it, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and this should be better now. I don't have to hold it, but anyway, you're going to want to call it, for this episode, we're just going to make, a clicker game, maybe? We'll just make, a basic clicker game. So, at the end, I will also show you Cat Clicker, which is my clicker game, which is still in progress, but it's good so far. You're just going to call it Clicker. You can call it whatever you want. I'm just going to call mine Clicker 4, or actually, we'll just call it Ball Clicker. And then you want to go to the cat. It should be automatically selected. Click on Costumes, delete the second costume, and select the cat by doing that, and then you want to press backspace or the delete key, and then you want to go down here to where it says costumes. You can click paint, or you can choose a costume. For the sake of this video, I'm going to choose a costume, because they're already pre-made. We'll just do, the ball, because it's a ball clicker. And then you just want to call it ball, or whatever you want. And then select it, and enlarge it a little bit. You want to enlarge it. And then you want to center it. So then you want to go ahead and you want to make a second costume. And you want to enlarge it even more on both sides, and then be sure to recenter it. And then go to script or code, and then click, and then drag out a one flag clicked forever. If mouse down, then switch costume to ball 2, and then actually after the one flag clicked, you want to drag out a switch costume to ball, and I'm just going to go ahead and get the basic script down, and then you guys can all explain it when I'm done. Okay, I'm back. Basically, I've made a variable called ClickBucks. You can do money or score or something. I'm just calling it ClickBucks. And also, you want to change if mouse down to if touching mouse pointer and mouse down. That way, whenever you start it, whenever you would click just outside here, it wouldn't go. It has to be touching the ball and the mouse has to be down in order for it to go. And then you want to drag out a set ClickBucks or whatever to 0. And then in here, if that switch costume to ball 2, wait 0.05 seconds, because that's barely any time to see it, but it works. And then switch costume to ball 1, then change ClickBucks by 1. And then that is the basics for clicking and stuff. And then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a new sprite, and then these are basically going to be our helpers. So just going to design a helper real quick. It's just literally going to say helper on it. So it's not going to be anything too special. But I mean, this is ball clicker, come on. Nothing is really special. And then I'm going to get the script down for this and then show you. Okay, I'm back. So you should have designed a helper right here. And then you want to add this script to the code. One flag clicked hide, so that when you start, it won't be there. And then you want to drag out an if, and then this little greater than sign and your ClickBucks variable. So if ClickBucks is above 99, which will act as 100, but if you get 100, it will show, and then forever, once it shows, it'll start getting money for you every 0.5 seconds. So then you want to have a forever, change ClickBucks by 2, and wait to 0.5 seconds. So now I'm going to get to 98, and then I'm going to test out if it works, and then see if we need any corrections. Moment of truth here, just got to 99 ClickBucks, and now that didn't even work. Yeah, so I'm glad I did that because I'm gonna have to go in here and fix the script. I probably need to add a forever block in here. Then we'll try it. Also, you can hold it. I'm doing that just to make it easier to get up, but we'll take that out at the end. And yeah, now it works. Okay, all I had to do was add that forever script. See, like, you miss one block and then it ruins it all. Like, it's just crazy. Now we're gonna fix the script for the holding thing, and then I'll see you then. Okay, so I'm making this more complicated than it needs to be. I looked in the script for my cat clicker game, and all it needs to be is this. All you have to have is when this sprite clicked, see, I'm forgetting. Change ClickBucks by 1, switch costume to ball, and then wait 0.5 seconds, switch costume to ball 2. Or actually, it's the other way around. I had it wrong in there, but all you have to do is this. You can just delete all of this complicated stuff, but at least be glad that you got that down, because now you're going to have that in your head, and you can always rewatch this video if you forget how to do it. So now you shouldn't be able to hold it. Yes, I made that so much more complicated than it needs to be. But you still want to keep out the when flag clicked, set ClickBucks to 0. Because, like, if you don't have that in here and you click the flag, it's always going to be the same thing and it will never reset. You can do that if you want to have a game where it saves your progress. But in my time, I'm just going to disable that. Because it makes it a little more challenging, gives you more time to play my game and more views. So now, I think we're going to work on adding more helpers. So literally all you have to do for that is I'm just going to make a bunch of duplicates, and then, yeah, I'll see you then. Okay, so I've made like 9 duplicates, and what you want to do for all these duplicates is just look in there, and then keep increasing the number of money that it has to be before it'll show. So like the last one be like 10,000, and then the second one be like 250. And remember, you always want to subtract 1 from what you're doing, because then it makes it to where, like, if you have 2,500 and you want to unlock it, then it won't unlock until you go above it. So when you have 2,500, or, like, 249, you still have to get 1 more, but when you get to 250, it'll unlock instead of getting to 251, making it seem like an odd price. Oof. That was over-explanatory. I don't know why I did that. But occasionally you do want to click the project save button. And that's pretty much the basics for the game. We might, I've got, 4 more minutes of recording. So we might as well just, add a when flag clicked forever, and then you can go to sounds. I'm gonna upload a sound, but you can choose a sound. You can do, you can do, chill, or, bossa nova. I'm just gonna upload a sound, though. So let me find one, and then we're gonna do Midnight Motorist. Five Nights at Freddy's, people be like, no, wait, that's gonna kill my, oh. Wait, will it? Will it really? We'll see. Did it kill my project? This is literally a 30 minutes extended version of the Midnight Motorist minigame. And you can't hear it, because I'm not recording sound, because there really is no need to record sound. But you can choose anything that you want. Personally, I'm not going to do that, because Scratch can't handle that, okay? So I'm just gonna chill with Bossa Nova. I'm just gonna go with Bossa Nova. Well, that was dumb. Bossa Nova is also what I used for Cat Clicker, so I might use chill. Now we're gonna try again. See, now it's gonna save perfectly fine. And then if you're gonna add sound, when flag clicked forever, play sound, your sound until done. You don't want to do start sound, because when you do start sound, it's just gonna play the very first millisecond of it. But if you do this, then it works. So now I got a sound. Good sound too. For backdrops, I did this in Cat Clicker. I had an intro. See, Cat Clicker is what I published, my actual good game. I did have like some background flickering with that, so let's just do that, and then actually I want to test something. This is a stupid idea, but I want to do it anyway. Now if we reload and we go to backdrops and then no, okay. That's not bad anyway. We can just click convert to bitmap, click the paint tool, click fill, drag it there, and then I'll show you guys once I made some backdrops, and then we'll get to the script of the flickering. Alright, so I made backdrops. I just made it to where it's the same backdrop, just like going up and down. You can do the fading thing by getting a rectangle, filling it up the entire screen, clicking fill, giving it a color, and then at the top you'll see that. You can also do that, but I prefer that. That's what I use for cat clicker. It's not bad, but I like that. And then do one color for one, then click swap, and then you can do the exact same thing. I don't know why that's not doing that anymore, but it's not. Anyway, once you do that, you want to do one flag clicked forever next to backdrop, and then wait 1 second. So that you got a nice relaxing game. Some helpers, some music, flickering backdrops, animations, clickbox. That's basically all you need for a game like this. I'm going to share it, and then we're just going to do this project was a project for YouTube. Tube. And then I'm just going to say click the ball for ClickBucks. And then that should be good. And then in parentheses in the title I'm going to do tutorial. Yes, tutorial. And anyway, that is going to be it for this video. This is the final product. I'm probably going to do a part 2 or like a series. I don't know. But here is your basic needs for a clicker game. If it doesn't work, then oh yeah, also about the helpers, I'm lazy and I didn't make it to where they're like all lined up. I just made them scatter once you got them. So I'm gonna see if the things actually work, and if they don't, then I'll make a part 2 for bug fixing. So this helper works, and then the next helper you get is at, I believe, 250. So I'm gonna get to 250, and then we'll see what happens. We're about to get to 250. Okay, yeah. So they're all scattered around. They don't like do anything in particular. Well, I mean, they do something in particular. Like now, you get 4, and then the next time it'll be 6, and then 8, and then 10. See, now we got another one, and now it's 6. And then I believe the other one is at 600. Or 800, I can't quite remember. But the helpers are very useful and very easy to make once you know what you're doing. So yeah, this has been Rex 3 on a tutorial of how to make a clicker game, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.